Hi guys, this is Saurav. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an app for getting your own location in your own app. So let's start. First, we need to click on Start New Project and type here app name, my location, and OK. Now we need one map here to show our location, and you will find it in the map section. Drag and drop this map here, and width should be fill parent. Fine. Now I'm going to use here one button. Okay, and show me where I am. Okay, and this one center, align center. Fine. I'm going to change the screen color is going to be black. Fine. And the button color I'm going to use here something orange. Fine. Now we are going to drag and drop one sensor. Go to the sensor section and you will get your location sensor. Drag and drop this, and here you will see two options: distance interval, enable, and time interval. Three options. So this one is enable, and time interval means 60,000. It means 60 seconds. Your map will update in every 60 seconds. So I'm going to update this one in every second. So this should be 1000. Now go to the block section. Whenever I'm going to click on, whenever someone click on button 1, then what will happen? Like click on map here, and you will see here option pen to. So we have to zoom in our own location. So we have to find latitude. So you will see location sensor and you will get location latitude option here. Copy and paste this and this one. So that one is latitude and that one is longitude. Fine. And zoom option will be is from 1 to around 15 to 20, no more than this. Okay, I'm going to use it 10, not 20. Fine. We will increase it. That's very easy. You don't need to do anything right now. Now go to the design section. I'm going to show you the location value also, right? This should be updated, right? So I'm going to use here to label also to show you the location value also, how it's updated or not. So I'm going to use here to label, and I'm going to change these labels by text color, label 2 and label 1 like this, and I'm going to remove the text from here like this. Okay, and go to the block section and click on location sensor. Whenever a location will change, this will then label 1 value text should be latitude, get latitude value, and then label 2 value, it should be longitude. To do some value in my label 1 or label 2, 0 and 0. So we will get the information this one is updating or not. So I'm going to use here zoom out, zoom in option also. Click on map and you will see here one option, show zoom. Fine. Now we are going to run this app. Okay, fine. You can see here the value is updating right now. Now I'm going to click on show me where I am, and you can see I'm in Delhi right now. Okay, so this one is not going to show you exact location. So what should you have to do? You have to increase the zoom value. So I'm going to increase the zoom amount. So here we put the 10, so I'm going to put here 15, and now again I'm going to click on show me where I am. So you will see here. Oh, great. Okay, fine. So that's very easy way. You can you can know that where I am right now. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.